Artoonza.
Calling all little doctors and future artists. Today, we're playing doctor on paper, and guess what? Nobody's getting a shot, I promise. We're drawing our favorite doctor play toys with a black marker, then going absolutely wild with orange and black glitter. Oh, and yes, we brought along a tiny, naughty little vacuum to clean up the glitter chaos, because glitter gets everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Then we're dropping gorgeous red acrylic paint with a paint dropper and painting it in with brushes before finishing the whole thing with a dazzling blue metallic polish.
Aww, so cute.
Grab your markers, glitter, and your doctor kit because today's art session is so fun. It might just cure your boredom. Give us your like. Ready to create something amazing? Let's draw. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Now it's time for the red acrylic paint. And we are not just slapping it on like a normal person. Oh, no. We're going full gourmet chef mode with a paint dropper. Because apparently, we are Michelin star artists now. We're carefully dropping gorgeous, rich red paint drops onto our masterpiece like total seasoned pros. Then swooping in with our trusty little brush to spread all that juicy, velvety color around. This red is so bold, so deep, so dramatically beautiful, it might actually make a tomato blush with jealousy. Grab that brush and let's paint like the creative royalty we truly are.
Aww, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. And now, the grand finale we have all been waiting for. It's time for the blue metallic polish. And oh my, does this beauty know how to make an entrance. We're sweeping on this gorgeous shimmery blue polish like we're dressing our masterpiece in a royal blue gown for prom night. The way it catches the light is honestly unfair to every other color in the room.
Wow.
Red, cute. Glitter, fun. But this blue metallic polish, chef's kiss. Your Dr. Play toys are now so breathtakingly fabulous they might just prescribe themselves a modeling career. Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.